Welcome to Custodial Custodians window cleaning series, hints, tips, and tricks. And today I'm going to talk about getting yourself one of these. It is a smartwatch. And what's great about these smartwatches is that when you get a call, you don't have to whip out your phone, especially when you're on a ladder. You can look at your watch and be like, oh, that person's calling. Be able to use your Bluetooth headset, answer it. You also can see who texts you. You can get all your notifications that's on your phone straight to your smartwatch. Now this one is the Samsung Gear S2 Classic. They have the Gear S3 out right now. I don't know the exact cost of them. They're probably a few $100, but it's totally worth it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or you have any questions or any ideas of future videos, go ahead and put that in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to tune in for more.